Welcome. In front of me is an Honor MagicPad 2, and today I'll be showing you how you can boot this device into safe mode. So, to get started, you will want to hold your power button, select power off and ignore Google when it shows up, as it most likely will for you as well, but if you keep on holding, it gets you the boot options. Next, when the tablet turns off, hold your power button and volume up at the same time. And in a moment you will see Honor logo. When it disappears, you can then let go of the two buttons. This, as you can see, takes us to the recovery mode, and in here all you need to do is just click on safe mode. Now this will reboot the device and bring you into safe mode, in which only the pre-installed applications will function. Any application that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled, and neither you nor the device can run it. And this is done for troubleshooting purposes, so if you don't have any kind of trouble with your device, there is really no reason for you to boot into this mode, as it does limit the usability of it by quite a bit, which you'll see in a moment. Now we also have a watermark right here in the corner, and it looks like it might be hiding the applications that won't be available to us. So I think there might have been some apps like somewhere here, but they are no longer visible. Oh, actually no, I know there were applications here because, let's see, do I have it visible right here? So we have Netflix, but I don't have the second page, which the Netflix was on the second page, just to showcase this. There we go. You can see there were way more applications visible right here, and they're just all hidden away. So obviously you can't launch them because they're no longer visible right here. You can still find them in the settings by going into the apps section and, for instance, uninstall them from there if you want to. But anyway, once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to the normal one, hold your power button again. And from here, all you would do is select restart. When the device boots back up, it automatically goes back to normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.